Ever pondered over the cash that slipped through your fingers throughout life? From that first $100 paycheck at 18 to last year's $35,000? We've all had money pass through our hands. But how much remains? The truth might surprise you. In this video, we're revealing the 5 rules of money, unlocking the secrets to a prosperous life. Stick around till the end, and you'll be equipped with the knowledge to turn the tide. And hey, if you're new here or you've been with us for a while now, welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Number 1, maintain financial privacy. Revealing your earnings can lead to unwanted expectations. By staying humble, you protect your financial stability and preserve genuine relationships. Picture a friend asking for a sizable loan after learning about your recent financial success. Keeping your wealth private prevents uncomfortable situations and nurtures healthy connections. Number 2, prioritize time investment. You see, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Dedicate time to understanding personal finance, investments, and budgeting. Informed decisions based on solid understanding prevent costly mistakes and lay the foundation for financial stability. Imagine the scenario of impulsively investing a significant sum in a trending stock. Instead, research and comprehend market trends to make informed. Number 3, view money as a life game. Learn the rules, strategize, and adapt. Saving before spending, akin to moving chess pieces strategically, forms a winning financial strategy. The money game is ongoing, but with the right mindset, it transforms into an enjoyable challenge. Apply this concept to daily life, turning budgeting into a strategic game where funds are allocated wisely for savings, investments, and personal expenses. Number 4, money won't resolve insecurities. No luxurious possession can replace self-esteem. Overcoming insecurities demands self-acceptance and love. Avoid chasing possessions. Focus on personal growth and happiness. Imagine upgrading to a lavish lifestyle hoping it will boost self-esteem. True contentment comes from within. Acknowledge strengths and address insecurities directly to break free from the illusion that material possessions define self-worth. Number 5, more learning means more earning. In today's competitive world, valuable skills are paramount. Explore free online courses, delve into insightful books, and expand your knowledge. Each learning experience opens doors to financial growth and opportunities. Consider dedicating time to acquiring a new skill, like digital marketing. This added expertise can enhance your career, leading to increased income potential. Number 6, wealth builds gradually. Patience and consistency are vital. Similar to growing a tree, growing wealth requires time and dedication. Take Warren Buffett as an example. He started investing at 11 and now boasts a net worth of billions. Investing early and letting compounding work its magic leads to significant wealth over the years. Adopt a long-term perspective, focusing on consistent strategic financial habits. Number 7, keep your money active. Money, like a muscle, weakens if not used. Keep it from languishing in a savings account. Allocate a portion for emergencies, and invest the rest to protect against inflation. Imagine having $100 in savings that you never touch. In 10 years, it remains $100 but loses value due to inflation. Investing that money could yield significant returns, protecting against inflation and ensuring financial growth. Number 8, concentrate on your finances, not others. Avoid comparing your financial journey to friends or peers. Comparisons lead to impulsive decisions and unnecessary desires. Instead, stay focused on your financial situation and goals. Picture a scenario where your friend buys a new car, and you feel a twinge of jealousy. By concentrating on your goals and financial well-being, you avoid making decisions influenced by external factors. Number 9, money is neither good nor bad, it's neutral. People determine its value through usage. Contrary to the belief that money is evil, it's a tool reflecting the user's nature. For example, a kind and generous person will use money for good deeds, while a selfish individual will exploit it. Understand that money itself isn't inherently good or bad. It's how you choose to utilize it that shapes its impact. Number 10, money flows to the financially savvy. Create valuable offerings, and money will follow. Whether developing a groundbreaking app or offering a service that saves time and money, focusing on value creation ensures a steady inflow of money. Picture creating an innovative product that simplifies a common task. People willingly pay for solutions that enhance their lives. Mastering this secret guarantees a flow of money to those who understand how to handle it wisely. Number 11, kickstart savings gradually. Begin by cutting small expenses like a daily $5 coffee. While these changes may seem insignificant, they cultivate a habit of financial discipline. Reigning's approach prevents the overwhelm of drastic lifestyle alterations. Number 12. Self-control is the cornerstone of financial success. Amidst interest rates and investment analyses, mastering emotions is paramount. Fear and greed often lead to poor decisions. Imagine succumbing to panic during a market downturn, hastily selling stocks. By practicing emotional restraint, you make sound financial choices. Recognize that self-control transcends earning more. It's about governing what you have wisely. In the realm of personal finances, emotional mastery secures a resilient financial future. Now master these 12 simple secrets and you'll pave your way to financial abundance. Which secret resonates with you the most? Share in the comments below, and let's discuss your preferences. So, if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights to join us in revealing the secrets behind a fortune. Only here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income.